I am incredibly pleased with my ongoing experience using joinfridays.com, and I genuinely feel that it has become a meaningful and motivating part of my overall wellness journey, offering the kind of thoughtful support and smooth guidance that helps you feel confident every step of the way, especially when you're striving toward personal health goals and looking for a convenient solution that fits into real life without stress or confusion. From the very first moment I visited the site, everything felt so simple, intuitive, and well-organized that signing up didn't feel like a chore at all. And I appreciated how clearly each step was outlined, including the way they gather information to create a customized plan that feels uniquely yours rather than something generic. What impressed me even more was how the experience didn't stop at just getting started. Their team showed a level of kindness, professionalism, and enthusiasm that made me feel genuinely supported, as if I had a friendly partner cheering me on, answering questions quickly, and always treating me with patience and understanding. The consultation felt thoughtful and unrushed, giving me space to talk through my goals, my lifestyle, and any concerns, while receiving feedback that was both reassuring and realistic, which really boosted my confidence in the process. Once everything was set up, I loved how smoothly everything continued, from timely product support to helpful reminders and clear instructions. They made sure there were no frustrating delays or confusing moments, just steady progress that felt achievable and encouraging. The wellness advice they include is another major highlight for me, because it reminds you that health isn't only about one thing but a combination of balanced habits, positive mindset, and consistent support, and having those check-ins and friendly nudges along the way has made a noticeable difference in keeping me committed and optimistic. As the weeks went by, I truly felt a shift, more energy, better motivation, and a sense of pride in the improvements I was making, all of which built up gradually in a way that feels sustainable rather than temporary. What I love most about joinfridays.com is how they make the entire process feel personal and uplifting instead of stressful or complicated, because they understand that everyone's path is different and they adapt to what works best for you, creating a wellness approach that feels empowering, private, and genuinely life-enhancing. The care, convenience, and comfort they provide all blend together so well that I always feel like I'm moving forward with clarity and confidence. And I am honestly grateful to have found a service that supports not just the physical aspect of progress, but the emotional encouragement that helps you believe in your success. In every way, from the friendly team to the seamless experience to the real, positive results I feel, joinfridays.com has exceeded my expectations, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who wants a supportive, trustworthy, and thoughtfully designed program that truly helps you feel your best, while guiding you gently toward the healthier version of yourself you've always hoped to achieve.